Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to remove addresses on the Waze app. If you have an old or unwanted address saved in your Waze account, you can easily delete it in just a few steps. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search icon. Next, tap Save Places to view the addresses and locations you have saved. Find the address you want to remove. Then tap the three dots next to it to open the available options. Select Remove Place or Delete, depending on the version of your Waze app. If Waze asks you to confirm, tap Remove again. The address will now be deleted from your saved places. You can repeat the same process anytime you want to remove other saved addresses from your Waze app. And that's how to remove addresses on the Waze app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other helpful tutorials.